Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Previously, Cheryl showed you a video on this spirulina, and I thought I'd show you a little difference here, which is sparkling spirulina. This is from my Eterra Soda stream. So I've got glass or plastic. I'm going to go with the glass. So how do you make sparkling spirulina? Well, the first thing is you take this nice scoop here, and you put that in there. Ooh, that smells. And then to make this taste better, we'll put a little bit of this Ultima electrolyte mix in here. So I don't like it very sweet, so what I'm going to do is put maybe about a half of a cap of this in there. Okay, this is called True Lime. Also, they have True Lemon. Put a little bit of that in there. Set that aside. Then my favorite is some bitters. Just put a couple drops of that in there. And then the secret is to make a little bit of a slurry at the bottom. So we'll take some oxidane, also known as water, and we'll pour a little bit of that in there and swirl this thing around. Look at all that greenness in there. Yes. Makes you think of such a great drink, huh? Anyways, that's what it looks like on the inside. So now, pour a little bit of the seltzer water in there, or you could pour it into the bottle and freeze it, or refrigerate it. That almost looks like a green version of a Guinness Stout. Look at that. Head on that reminds me of a politician. It's full of air. So we'll just continue to fill it. So you do not want to put this in the bottle as powder because it will cause it to foam quite a bit. We'll just break down that head a little bit by stirring it. Once more. All right. Cheers, everybody.
All in one gulp.
It's not bad. Actually, this is really good. With the seltzer water in there, turns out pretty nice.
And if he likes it, you know it's good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.